Everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of desktop on Bumble. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about Bumble app. Here we go to first stop and you will click OK. Then we click on storage and you will enter here. In this page you click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to press by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.